This is another video about simple cut and fold methods. Here I will show you the simple negative cut and fold method. This method is very similar to the simple positive cut and fold method, explained in part 5 of this tutorial series. It differs only in the last step, that is, folding the tabs, the divided pieces of a sheet. Therefore, if you haven't watched the previous video yet, I recommend you to see it before continuing this one. There, I also present the advantages and disadvantages of these methods. You can find the link to that video in the description below, or click on the link in the top right corner. To create any of these cut and fold books, you will need the Mark Cut and Fold pattern table or the band template, a book of the appropriate dimensions. The patterns are designed for books of a specific height and number of pages. You will also need a pencil to mark the places for cuts, a pair of scissors for making cuts in the book, and a ruler to measure the depth of a cut. First, decide how deep you want your background to be. The recommended depth is between half an inch and 1.5 inches, or between 1 and 4 cm. Measure this length from the foredge of your book and draw a line parallel to the foredge. Here, the first line is drawn at a distance of 2 cm from the foredge. The next 2 steps are the same as for all other methods. That is, mark where each part of the subject of the pattern begins and ends on the sheet. For this, you may either use the Mark Cut and Fold pattern table or the band template. Here I am using the band template. For each mark separating subject and background, you need to make a cut inside the book. This creates at least 2 tabs, pattern parts and background parts. How you fold the pattern and background parts depends on the method. Since this is the simple negative cut and fold method, we fold the pattern parts completely, meaning as deep as the cut allows. As a result, the crease of the fold overlaps with the line. The remaining tabs, that is, the background parts, stay as they are not folded. Repeat these steps for every sheet in the book to get the final result. Mark, cut, fold and enjoy your book with NailYt.